Alright, once again, I work with KP68. This is my area here. It's called ICT, or in-circuit test. I gotta be really quick. I'm just gonna scratch the tip of the iceberg here, but here's my workstation. The tools of the trade. I'll get back to that. Current circuit board I'm working on. Schematics, board view. Alright, over here, we have this Vigilant test head. In each one of our circuit boards, the circuit board requires a very specific test fixture, which is that. Alright, I don't know if you heard of it, they call it ICT, sometimes they call it the bed of nails. So what we're going to do is, to show you that, I'm going to pause this, I'm going to pull this apart, I'm going to show you all the test pins underneath. And when you look at the test, all these pins, if you look at this circuit board right here, all those tiny little dots on there are test points. Okay, now those little tiny dots are going to match up, precisely all the pins I'm about to show you in this test fixture. So 1 second, I'll be back when I pull this set off. Alright, got that taken off there. See all the little pins there? They look like little nails sticking up. They're spring loaded. The bed of nails. Alright, I can put that back on and then walk you through a partial test. Alright, hold on here. Okay, got everything put back on, the computer program loaded up for this specific test fixture. Alright, we're going to put the panel on. Going to go on the test fixture. Close the lid. Well, let me turn this light off. Alright. Alright, here we go. It's going to slam down. Okay, vacuum pulls that down. It's going to start to get through its test. Starts a little bit blurry. Damn this off on. Alright, let me catch up to you guys near the end of the test. Alright? Show what happens when the board passes. Alright, almost, guys. Still going through its thing. Yes, boring. Right now it's going through everything from boundary scans to your typical capacitance, inductance, resistance, certain circuit functionality. So that's what it's doing right now. Yeah, hold on. Be right back near the end of the test. Alright, hope I'm not going to bore you guys getting near the end of the test. My cell phone still won't focus. Oh man. Hold on here. A little beep test. I'm sorry guys, just won't focus. Alright. Hopefully it passes, is going to turn green. Come on baby, we're good to pop it here. Come on. Give me a pass. There we go. Alright, hold on. Now I'm going to put one on. I know that there's a known fail here. I'll show you what happens when a board fails. 1 second here, let me get this off and put my old KP stamp on there. Okay, here we go. This is going to be a known fail. Board 2 in this panel is going to fail. There we go. It's going to print out a receipt. Oh, we know the answer. It's going to bomb. It's going to print out. Alright, this one's pretty much straightforward, but a lot of times it does give me a clue. It might say a very specific component. I'll bring it over here underneath my microscope. Most of the time it is a solder defect, so I'll go ahead and fix that. That's what I specialize in, is surface mount soldering and rework. But other times it takes a diver or a deeper dive, so that's when I can pull up the schematics. Many pages on the schematic, and then I'll pull up the board view. This is just abbreviated tour, and some of the stuff I use. This is 99% isopropyl alcohol. Once in a while, I'll use the flux off for soldering. There's a HACO, hot air, which I use a lot. And the big old honking solder tip I rarely use, and a lot of time use this a lot. The JBC nano tip soldering iron. Let's see if I can get this to focus. Some of the solder tips that I use. That'll focus. I hate this cell phone. The fine tip. Yep, needle tip and the chisel tip. That's about it. Real quick tour of ICT. So these circuit boards here will eventually go on to our conformal coating line. Maybe I'll do another video on that. Conformal coating. You can see him back here. We put coating on certain parts of the circuit board. Get in here, look at this. You can see that. Ah, crap. Alright, this cell phone's ruining it. Anyhow, alright, I'll check you guys later. I better get back to work. And, oh yeah, another thing. Maybe sometime I'll show you what's called the AOI, her inspection machine. Down at the end there, where that guy's working. Alright, I gotta get on out. KP68 at work once again. Click, click.